YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute boho yarn hanging. So what you'll need to make this is 3 different colored packs of yarn, a dowel measured 48 inches, a piece of string for hanging, a roll of painter's tape, scissors, a ruler/measuring stick, and a 5-inch cardboard square. So first you're going to take the color that you want for your outer strips and unravel it into a 50-inch long loop. Hook it onto something and continue looping it around if it makes it easier. When you're done, cut the bottom half. Now take a single piece, place the top half over the dowel and pull it through and under. Here's a close-up. I used about half of the batch that I unraveled for one side. It's also helpful to have your dowel propped up between 2 chairs or something like that so you can easily put the string on it. I took the white pack of yarn, unraveled it, and used all of it for the middle part. And as you can see, I'm just going to use that same motion to fill it up. Now I'm doing the other side. And now I'm filling up the remaining spaces with the white. Now to attach the string I used to hang up the piece, I've already tied the string ends together, and to attach it to the dowel, I'm going to use this looping motion. Here it is again in slow-mo. I'm going to place it onto the string and use my glue gun to put it in place at the ends. Now place painter's tape on each side of the hanging where you want your ends to be and where you want your center point. Here I'm using my measuring stick to make sure things are even. Place your tape in a V shape and start cutting away. Now to create the tassels, you're going to take your piece of cardboard, hold the end on one side, and wrap your yarn around 40 times. Cut that and remove the yarn from the cardboard. Take a long piece of string, place it through so the ends are even on both sides, and tie a double knot. Now take a piece of yarn, wrap it around the top half of the tassel, and make a knot. Then wrap it around about 10 more times. Make a knot and tuck it under. You'll see here that I'm using scissors to tuck the knot under. Here I'm just cutting the ends. You're going to want to make 5 of these tassels. Now continue cutting the ends and make sure all the tassels are even. To hang the tassels, see where you want to place the tassels. Ideally, you want the 2 outer tassels to be the same height, then the 2 inner ones to be the same height as well, and then a center point. To do this, compare and make sure the end knots on the matching tassels are at the same height on the end of the string. Here I'm using my measuring stick to see where I want to place the tassels. I put them about 8 inches apart starting from the middle tassel. Go ahead and hang up the tassels using that same looping motion. Again, here is a close-up of what I'm doing. I noticed that the bottom half of the hanging was a little uneven, so I went back again with my tape and scissors and fixed it. And now you're all done. You should have a chic, cute boho hanging to put up in your home now. Hope you found this tutorial easy to follow along with, and if you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like it. Bye!